Hey y'all, hey. I just want to come on right quick. We've been up early, headed to Atlanta. I'm gonna put the clip in just more. That wind was blowing hard and that rain, and it was raining. It was moving this truck. So we just cruising. This is my first long road trip in a minute, besides when I rode with Terry. But I can't lay down nowhere, so I gotta sit in that seat. But it's all good. But yeah, I hope y'all doing well, and I hope y'all safe.
Remember.
Hey y'all, this your girl Nora. I'm back. So we just made it here to Atlanta. Well, we had to go get something to eat first, but we just made it to our room. We just got 2 full-size beds. Of course, there go mama. There go me. She told me some hey. Okay. Just you got a flat screen TV. You got your microwave and refrigerator. We should have brought some drinks. Then we got in here. The bathroom, it look decent. You have little things on the wall. But yeah, so oh Lord. Looking at the news, Daytona. It's the a house on the beach. I don't want it no more. I don't want it. But yeah, I'm finna sit here and eat my burger and fries. And I'm gonna relax. So I'll let y'all later. Ooh. Y'all, Burger King was raggedy. We sat there waiting for so long. I was like, "Dear, if we waiting this long time, that food better be hot. Them fries better be hot." Nope, them fries was warm. I ain't finna. I don't want to send it back. No. So I just put it in the microwave. Put my waffle and my fries in the microwave, and then I let it stay in there so long. Cause now it's hot. It's hot.
Decades later, there's at least one person who
Y'all don't have to be raggedy.
He went out and just did this for fun for his family and then fun for everybody that came by here. For someone to do that, it takes a lot of hard effort, a lot of drive. And he tied into something that was just so amazing.
Y'all ain't no ketchup and no mustard on it. It's barely that. I ketchup on it. I got good to the nail. Some people, I guess they tired.
Three people trying to
estates of natural
10 people job.
maybe known for its.
But yeah, y'all, the ride was okay. We took our time to get here. We weren't rushing on that.
Yet,
We stopped by
that's hard in the middle of everything.
I'm back at my phone cut off. I guess I had too much stuff in there. But yeah, Burger King was raggedy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Went to, I think it's Isola or something like that. It was good. Y'all sorry if I look at myself. I got the phone turned the wrong way. But it was very good. I enjoyed it also. When it's a buffet, all you can eat, they do serve you. You go online, just tell them what you want, put on your plate. And then somebody bring you some drink or whatever. You know how a buffet works. It's like you don't serve your own, you don't serve yourself. They'll put it on the plate. Whatever you want, they'll put on the plate. It had a nice New Orleans feel to it.
Sonic. Yes, half the fun of the that. See more people live beyond it, yes.
Even though it was raining and the wind was blowing out for the storm, the cold, it was okay. But them cramps in my legs though, the cramps tear me up. Like I couldn't bend my ankle or nothing, or bend my foot down, cause I was trying to get my foot flat. Now if we stop and I can get out, then I can kind of get it under control. But we was on the road and it was raining, and I did not want to get out of that truck. Burger drippers on. That won't do it. But yeah, when I had to let the seat back, then I tried to stretch my legs out. It would not do it. So I had to kind of scooch down and try to get my foot flat, and then kind of like bend my toes up to kind of take the pressure off. It was still there, but I refused to move. So then I ended up getting up, sitting upright, and straightening up my seatbelt, and that cramp hit me again. So I had to lay back down again and try to get it back right. Y'all, I almost cried. I'm so glad I went and peed before we left that restaurant, because I probably would have peed on myself. Oh, shoot. I'm going to eat it up too much.
His real name was William Frederick Cody.
20 miles west of the town is a structure that matches this wild and dramatic scenery. The Smith Mansion.
I'm
When
still
I
from
come
that.
driving down the highway and see the mansion up on the hill, you can see 5 miles down. I get excited. I can't wait to be here.
Sonny Larson is a mother of 2 living in Cody. But back when she was a child, the Smith Mansion was her home.
So this is the cold room of the house. It's a room that constantly has air running through here. This room we slept in during the summertime.
I now understand what my dad was feeling when he would have cramps in his legs. And I now understand why he didn't want to drive, because that cramp, you can't just bend your foot. It's like it's locked in place. And it was hurting so bad. Now I know why he used to tell Mama to stop and pull over so he can hop out the car. Because you got to try to put pressure on it. Because it's like it's balled up and not. We think my magnesium or something might be low. Maybe my potassium or something is low. I don't know.
Coming back to the house now that I don't live here and no longer own it.
But I got to figure something out, because that hurt. That hurt so bad.
It's just something that
I don't like
I'm
that.
happy to do, to be able to come back
But
here and see it.
we're going to chill in this room
The house is
until Terry get back.
Sonny's father, Francis E. Smith.
This place actually speaks to my dad's character. He was.
I hope everybody's
Sonny's
safe
father's own way
with this storm, Nicole.
to be a dangerous way.
Because last night at home,
Happy anniversary.
I heard that wind whipping and some of the trees was crackling.
Do I have to do anything?
Nothing.
I was a little nervous, y'all.
Nothing.
Really?
But we made it. We made it. Oh, that's so pretty. It's all trees.